Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to delete Pinterest account permanently. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Pinterest application. At the home page, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on the three dotted line on top right corner. Here you tap on the settings. Under personal information, you can see the option of account settings. You tap on it. Scroll to the very end. There you can see the option of delete account and also deactivate account. Deactivating your account means you can reactivate it again and you can use your account. As we are going to delete our account, we will tap on delete account. Closing your account means you won't be able to get your pins or boards back. All of your account data will be deleted. That means you will have no longer access with your data of your Pinterest account. You tap on continue. Here you need to select the reason for deleting your account. You tap on send email. An email has been sent with final steps to close your account. Now you need to go to your mailbox and checking for the mail sent by the Pinterest. At the very top, you can see the mail. You tap and open the mail. Scroll to the little down. At the red box, you can see the option of Yes, delete account. You tap on it. Your account has been deleted. As you can see, I have been directed to the login page of Pinterest. That means my Pinterest account has been deleted. Hope this video is fruitful for you all. Thank you.